So first thing, let's just quickly start. We'll create a basic list. Here I will add type as an integer. I will create a list, and directly instead of creating with new, I will just a quick approach. So I'll use a list of where I can pass some element, like I have passed some element, guys. Okay, so now how you can iterate them, which is very simple. You just quickly we can use the for like enhanced for loop, where you can define the for, and then you can use the type like integer n colon list. So it will provide one by one element to this integer n, and basically that's how you can simply iterate. So if I run this, I will get the output at 10, 20, 30, 14, 50. Okay, so this is the normal way where you can iterate the stream. So we can also use the Java 8 for each method. So you can apply that method directly on the list collection. So list contains this for each method. Now this method accept the consumer. So in order to iterate this, or in order to use this, you should know what is this consumer. So this is basically a functional interface where I will just use this for each. So if you know the consumer, where actually I will just I will get some element, like I'm getting I, which is the input parameter, and then I just simply do the system.out.println. So this is how. So if I explain this, so list has, or list collection has this for each method, and for each method accept the consumer. Now where you can see this, like it performs the given action for each element of the iterable until all elements have been processed. So that's how we can iterate a list. So that is all about the list. Then you can also use the index approach, basically, which is the old approach, where you can just simply write this int I equal to n, I equal to 0, and I is less than list dot size, and I plus plus, and you can just simply get the element based on the index. So this is required when this is when the index is required. So whenever you want to do some operation based on the index, you can go for this approach. Okay, so that is so those are some of the ways where you can iterate a list.